Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL EDEXCEL paper. Question number 2. On 31st December 2025, Sheila prepared a draft statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December 2025 that showed a draft profit for the year of £16,540. The following were the balances left in her books of accounts at 31st December 2025. This is the balances. After completion of the draft statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income for the year 31st December 2025, Sheila discovered that the following had been entered incorrectly accounted for in that statement. Okay, these were the errors that had happened. So part A of the question asks, state the type of errors. Okay, type of error for each of the errors from 1 to 5. So now let's identify what is the type of errors we are looking at. So the first one is a transaction for the purchase of 200 items at £5 each, less than 10% discount supplied on credit had not been entered in the books of account. It is not at all entered, so it is omission error. Okay, you have omitted to make an entry, so that's an omission error. Okay, this is omission error. Then next one, you have omitted to enter in the books. Okay, then a cash payment of 750 for the equipment repair services had been debited to the cash book and credited to the equipment maintenance account. Okay, so the correct account is there, but the debit and the credit entries has gone wrong. This is called as reversal errors. Debit and credit entry has gone wrong, but the correct account has been entered. So that's a reversal error. Okay, this is called as reversal errors. Debit and credit has been, here it should have been credited and here it should have been debited. Then an entry for the discount allowed of £50 was not recorded. So in the discount allowed account, 50 has not been recorded. Okay, you have but a discount received of £200 was recorded as 150 in the discount received account. So here, though the debit and the credit balance will balance out each other, and this is an error, right? So this is an error because you have the discount allowed and discount received. Allowed, and then you have the discount received. This is like an income account. Okay, this is like an income account, and the discount allowed you have done, okay, you have written, is like an expense account. So here usually where is the double entry happening? The double entry happens on the debit side. Debit side, and here this will happen, this entry would have happened on the credit side. So here 50 was not at all entered. So what will be the balance? Okay, it is debit balance is 50 less, and here instead of 200 it was recorded as 150. So the debit and the credit balances will become equal and it will not show that error. Such an error is called as compensating error. It is compensating for the wrong entry. Okay, both are compensating, okay, for the wrong entry. This is compensation error. Okay, then the purchase of motor vehicle costing £8,000 had been recorded in the, so it had been recorded in the So the purchase of motor vehicle costing £8,000 had been recorded in the motor vehicle running expenses account and fully expensed in the year 31st December 2025. Sheila depreciates all motor vehicles owned at the end of the year at the rate of 20% per annum on the cost. Okay, so what happens is asset and expense itself, the principal entry has been gone wrong. So this is called as a principal error, principal entry. Okay, asset has to be entered in the asset, and expenses have to be entered into the expenses. If you make an error in the entry of this is called as a principal error. Then credit purchase of 50 items of goods at a price of 8 pounds each was correctly recorded in the books of prime entry, but was posted to the general ledger as 40 pounds. So 400 pounds, okay, instead of that number they have just entered 40 pounds. This is original entry itself has gone wrong. Okay, gone wrong. Okay, original entry. So how do you remember all this? So you just have to understand omission. Okay, omission is not at all entry into the books, not entry into books. Okay, that is omission error. Okay, then the debit and credit reversals. Okay, debit and credit reversal, that is reversal entry. Reversal, if you see a debit and credit credit reversal entry, that's a reversal entry. What's a compensation error? Okay, the debit and the credit balance you have entered into in the books like that in such a way that debit and credit balances and shows no error. It's compensating for each other. Okay, it is a wrong, you have left out, either you have done it because either you have left out or you have entered in such a way that the debit and the credit balances out each others, each will balance out in such a way that it will show no error even though there is an error. Then principal entry not entered in the correct class. Correct class of accounts. Okay, it is not entered into the correct class. It should have been entered, okay, into the asset under here the purchase has to be entered into the motor vehicles account, but it has been entered into the expenses account. So the correct class of entry itself has gone wrong. That is a principal entry error. Then original entry itself. Okay, so you can remember that. Okay, usually it is to do with figures, okay, entered wrong. So these are some of the ways